Arrhythmias and Obesity Research Lab. I'm Kedar Aras, Assistant Professor in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics in the Jacob School of Medicine and Biomedical Sciences at University at Buffalo. For this episode, I wanted to share the highlights for the month of February 2025. And the two major highlights was one was doing teaching for PGY 607. It's a course for graduate students, and I was responsible for 6 lectures focused on cardiac electrophysiology and a couple of pathologies and how that impacts cardiac physiology and arrhythmias. So my focus on those were the role of obesity and the role of ischemia in promoting cardiac arrhythmias. So it was a pretty cool experience getting new students exposed to cardiac electrophysiology and potential for doing research in the lab. The second major highlight was attending the Gordon Research Conference on cardiac arrhythmia mechanisms. It's held every 2 years, and they rotate between North America and Europe for every rotation. And this time around, this was in Tuscany, Italy. It's a 5 to 7 day conference, I believe. You all are held up in the same hotel. You live, you do seminars, you eat together. So it's a great opportunity to network professionally, exchange ideas, and kind of brainstorm on potential new research avenues and collaborations. So I had an opportunity to again attend, and this is one of my favorite conferences. So I had a great time networking with people, exchanging ideas, getting some tips on how to run the lab effectively, efficiently, how to recruit people, and also networking to see if I can recruit any good postdocs from PhD students who are potentially graduating and maybe interested in a career in academia. So all in all, it was a great experience, and I loved every minute of it. So I've come back recharged, and now it's time to get back to business. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you next time.